Hello, my name is Mac. I filmed this makeup tutorial back in 2021 before I started HRT, so if my voice sounds different, that's why. It was pretty much ready to post, but I somehow just completely forgot about it. The tutorial is for this demon bunny look that I posted on my Instagram. I want to experiment with making more YouTube content, so let me know what you think. Alright, so while I am putting on these rabbit ears, I just want to say I am so sorry for the audio quality in this video. I did my best, but, this has been a learning experience. My roommate made this strawberry corn cake. You see the strawberries in it? And then this whipped buttercream. It's so pretty. It'd be a shame if... Okay. I thought it was so pretty, it'd be a shame to not eat it on camera, so I'm gonna eat it. Thank you for the food. This is so good. It's like sweet, but also a little bit salty. It's like not too sweet though. It's like just the right amount of sweet, and it's like a little bit tart from the strawberries. So it's like, this is peppermint tea. This pandemic sucks. I just want to like eat sweets with my friends, like on a picnic and feel the flowers. Wow, this is like this is everything I needed and more. I deserve this. I'm really sad that I'm about to finish it. The last bite. Yeah. Wow, that was like the perfect snack. Excuse me. Wow, that was everything. Okay, yeah.
Makeup, right.
I've already washed and moisturized my face, so I'm just putting on primer now. This is the NYX Photo Finish Primer. While I wait for the primer to set, I usually look for playlists to listen to, take a little smoke break. Next, I'm going in with this concealer that I got from Muji, and I mostly just want to like even out my skin tone, cover up my eyebrows a little bit more, and some like blemishes on my face and my under eyes. And now I'm just using some face powder to set everything. And now I'm using this eyeshadow pot. I don't know, I've had this thing forever. I think like my mom gave it to me or something. And I'm just using like a skinny fluffy brush to make some dots on my face. So here I'm just applying it to the outer bottom corners of my eyes and pretty much just blending the fuck out of it. And then I use ColourPop's Sailor Moon blush to help blend it out some more so it can look as seamless as possible. Next, I'm using this black eyeshadow just to add a little more depth to my dots. And then using a smudging brush, I also add some black to the bottom corners of my eyes.
I feel like I'm almost done. I think I want to add like another set of lines in the middle, like in my nose, because I think the middle looks really empty, so I think I'm gonna do that. And then I might do some like veining around the mouth, I don't know. And then I think I'm gonna reapply some blush because I thought I put a lot on, but it doesn't really, I don't know. Feels like it's kind of gone now. IDK.